Interesting thing is that for earth resistance, the meager what we actually do in our industry, we keep it below 0.5 ohm, but actually it should be less than 0.1 ohm, but up to 0.5 ohm we allow in industry, particularly in case of telecommunication. Next question, the electrical power to a meager is provided by battery, permanent magnet, DC generator. Now this question is obviously permanent magnet DC generator. Okay, but here what happens, the electrical power in new type of meager what we use in industry, that is being updated, that is provided by battery. Okay, that those are also meager, but the electrical power to a meager provided by this question is actually coming from the theoretical part. The textbooks actually written 30 years ago, okay, 20 to 30 years ago. That time permanent magnet DC generator was used. Now battery is also used. Okay. Now next question, in a meager, control torque is provided by spring, gravity, eddy current? No, coil. That is a coil. But पहले जो मीगर होता था ना बहुत बड़ा होता था, अभी मीगर छोटा होता है. The operating voltage of a meager is about 6 volt, 12 volt, 40 volt, 100 volt, 100 volt. These are typical questions, you have to remember it just. Next question, prescribe per capita water demand for small cities and towns. Per capita water demand. This question is from civil engineering. Okay, 135 meter per day. Now these small town and cities in India, the water per capita water demand, and in USA this is also different. Okay, the country which progresses more, the water demand increases. Next question, the spacing between two bars in medium size screen ranges from 0 to 20 millimeter. Okay. Next question, in small water supplies such as army troop, private plants, swimming pool, the most commonly used disinfectant. এটা কি বলছে ক্লোরিন ডাইঅক্সাইড অ্যান্ড পটাশিয়াম পারম্যাঙ্গানেট, না পটাশিয়াম পারম্যাঙ্গানেট ইউজ করা হয় কিন্তু ক্লোরিন ডাইঅক্সাইড ইউজ করা হয় না. ওজোন অ্যান্ড ইউভি রেজ, এইগুলো কিন্তু এত জায়গাতে ইউভি রেজ আমি দিতে পারবো না. ওকে, তো এইগুলো আমাদের যে ওয়াটার ফিল্টার হয় সেইগুলোতে ইউজ করা হয়. আয়োডিন অ্যান্ড ব্রোমিন অ্যান্ড ক্লোরিন অ্যান্ড ব্রোমিন. নিন আয়োডিন অ্যান্ড ব্রোমিন, রাইট অ্যান্সার. क्लोरीनेटेड वाटर इज ऑल्सो यूज, हमारे जो खाबर जल तक पीने का पानी जो होता है उसमें भी यूज होता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द एयर पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल डिवाइस द साइक्लोन इज यूज्ड फॉर द रिमूवल ऑफ पार्टिकुलेट्स मैटर, बट व्हाट इज देयर साइज? 10 माइक्रोन. ओके, you have to just remember it. Okay, nothing, there is no logic. Next question, 20 dBA noise level, how many times greater than 1 dBA noise level? So this is a logarithmic function. Okay, so when logarithmic function 1 dB, so 20 dB by 1 dB, so 1 dB to 10 dB to 20 dB. In every cases there is 10 times. Okay, 10 times into 10 times, so 100 times. Okay, so the answer is 100. Next question, the percentage of contribution of CO2 to greenhouse effect is 50%, 30%. Now the option, the right answer is 50%, but actually it is less than 50%. Okay, it is around 38%. These values actually change, and this kind of question you have to know the exact answer. Next question, which of the following is not a valid category of impact printer? Dot matrix, line printer, inkjet printer. Which is not a valid type, not বলেছে. Okay, so if we say that what is impact printer, not a valid type of impact printer. Dot printers are impact printers, they are impact printers. Ink line printers are impact printers, drum printers are impact printers. Now you have to know what is dot printers. In railway counters or in mainly in government offices, the old printer which are used, एक जो आवाज होता है ना झिक 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 कैं 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 करके टिकट देने के टाइम पे, दोज आर डॉट प्रिंटर्स. ओके, लाइन प्रिंटर्स, सो डॉट प्रिंटर्स लेटर बाय लेटर, line printers also line by line. Okay, but in case of drum printer, there is a impact. Okay, after impact those letters will be printed on the paper, but inkjet printer there is no such thing because the whole page is being printed. But the problem of ink printer is this is very ink consuming. Cartridge बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है इंक प्रिंटर में. ओके, सो द राइट आंसर विल बी नॉट ए इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर, दैट इज inkjet printer, because these are all impact printers. Okay, these are all impact printers. Okay, next question, which of the following is not true? Okay, always underline this word, not true. Okay, about RAM, random access memory, this is the name. Read write memory, volatile memory, because you know these statements, all these statements, random access memory yes, read write memory yes, volatile memory yes. Volatile memory means this is a, there are two types of memory, primary memory, secondary memory. So what the operating system store in the hard disks. Okay, they are only read. Now what happens, they come to RAM after the computer is started, after booting. Okay, whenever computer shut down, all the things which is in RAM, that will be erased automatically. So this is a, first of all, read write memory, randomly accessed. It is randomly accessed and it's a volatile, because after the power gone, all the memory will be erased. The sequential access memory, no, it is not a sequential access memory. Sequential access memory, there are secondary memories. Okay, next question, not a component of central processing unit. Not, always underline this. Arithmetic logic, yes. Control unit, yes. Register, yes. But RAM is not. RAM is not part of central processing unit. Okay, CPU. This is actually part of processor. If you look at the computer, earlier computers like Pentium 4, or if you go to the 8085, so these are memories are also ALU, CU, registers. Okay, sub register ek ek kore barto, these things are there. Now next question, ASCII stands for American Standard Code. No, this is not American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Yes, underline this, information interchange. Okay, this is right. Next question, binary representation of this. Now how we will do this, I have already elaborated in a different lecture. Now we have to, what we have to do, we have to write like this: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Now this is 99. So here, okay, so how the combination will work? 64 and 32 is 96, I think. Okay, so 1, 1, 6 and 3, So 1 and 1, rest of it 0. So this is the this. Okay, and next part minus. Now after the point, that is decimal point, what will be 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, what is 2 to the power minus 1? That is 0.50. 2 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 minus 0.25. Next, what will be? There 125. Okay, like this the series will go. So 25 means is 0 1. So 0 1. So this is the right answer. Like this you have to practice. Next question, considering the Boolean variable, Boolean expression x plus 1 equivalent to x plus 1 equivalent to 1. Whatever it is, the function like a plus 1 equals to always 1. Okay, so this is the right answer. This is a formula you have to remember. 2's complement of binary number. Now 1's complement and 2's complement, these are all. This is 1's complement, 0 instead of 1, 1 instead of 0, and plus 1 is 2's complement. So we have to write this number 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 plus 1 means 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. So this is the right answer. Okay, now next question, which of the following is a real time operating system? Real time boleche. Now Mac OS, Linux, Windows 7, these are operating system. Obviously they are OS but not real time, but Windows C is real time operating system. So you have to use here the elimination method. Okay, you have to eliminate the wrong ones. Okay, then only you can achieve the right answer. Now class A in IP uses what bit of? Now class A ki korbe? Class A definitely they use 8. Okay, now there is IP allocation, for this is question from networking. Now there is a class A, B, C. Generally in case of internet we use C type of. There are 32 actually bits. Now first 24 for host and last 8 for client. Okay, now for class B what will be there? There will be 24 24. No, sorry, 16 16. Class C, this will increase, like this will happen. I think this is 8, 16, this is 20, this will be 24. Okay, like this. These are actually reserved and these will change. Next question, not a web browser. We know Chrome is a web browser, Internet Explorer, Opera is a hand loop is not a web browser. Okay, now the question trick is not মানে কি জানতে চেয়েছে, নো জানতে চেয়েছে না ইয়েস জানতে চেয়েছে, the answer which is not the answer, this is very important. Now next question, the area of 64 square kilometer represented by 256 square centimeter in the map. Okay, the RF of the scale. Now what is the RF of the scale? That is 256 by 64 with unit. This is centimeter square and this is kilometer square. Okay, so 1 kilometer means how much centimeter? First we have to do that, then so this answer will come eventually. Just make the ratio. and invalid profile used in gears. Okay, invalid profile used in gears. This question is again from mechanical engineering. Okay, this is from mechanical engineering. So earlier there is this type of question in railway exam.